Guys, I made my first sale just hours after publishing my ebook. That's crazy. Google Books isn't messing around. What if I told you that you could start earning passive income just by uploading AI-generated ebooks to Google Books with almost no effort? Sounds unreal, right? Well, it's true. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to find trending topics, use ChatGPT to create your own ebooks from scratch, and publish them on Google Books to watch the sales start rolling in. And be sure to stick around till the end, because I'll be sharing tips to accelerate your sales and get the best results fast. Take a look at Google Books. This platform has a mind-blowing reach of over 3 billion users worldwide. That's more than half of everyone online. But unlike saturated platforms like Amazon or Kindle, Google Books offers far less competition, giving your ebook a much better chance to stand out. With Google's global presence, your content can reach audiences in over 75 countries, allowing you to tap into a truly international market. Whether you're writing about tech, business, or lifestyle, there's a massive audience waiting for fresh content. So the first step, if you haven't registered for Google Books, is to register. You'll find a link in the description, or just search Google Books Partner on Google and click the first link, then click Get Started. Here, you will see your name and email. For the publisher type, choose Self-Published Author. Then, enter your name, country, and phone number. Then click Next. It's not necessary to check the two optional boxes. Just complete the I'm not a robot CAPTCHA and click I agree. Now you'll see your dashboard. From here, you need to add your payment information to get paid. After that, you'll be able to upload your first book. But don't just pick any random topic for your book. The key to fast sales is choosing a trending topic with high search volume. This is where Google Trends comes in clutch. It shows us exactly what people are searching for in real time. Click on Current Trends. Here, you'll see all the trending topics people are actively searching for right now. However, some topics, like sports events, might only trend for a day or two. To find a long-term winner, let's adjust a few filters. Set the date to 7 days, choose Active Trends, and for relevance, select Title. Now you can see the best long-term topic to focus on for your book. If you search for this topic on Google, you'll notice people are already riding the trend wave. Check out these examples. This blog post from 3 days ago, another from 2 days ago, and one just 7 hours ago. These creators are capitalizing on the trend, and we're about to do the same. But before we generate our book, we need a title that will rank high in search results. Don't worry, I've got you. I'm including a free PDF in the description with all the prompts we'll be using in this video. Just enter your topic and use the prompts in ChatGPT to create an optimized title. Here's our title: Mastering the 2025 Tax Brackets. How to maximize your savings and avoid overpaying. Let's move on to creating the book content. Just copy the title and paste it into the second prompt, but don't use ChatGPT directly here. To get the best book content, complete with all the elements a book needs, we'll use this app. To add it, click on Explore GPTs, type in eBook Creator, select this app, and click Start Chat. Now paste our prompt here. The app will begin by generating the table of contents, then proceed with the chapters. Sometimes it may pause if the book is lengthy. Just click Continue Generating to let it finish. Once the content is ready, copy it and paste it into Google Docs for editing. First, change the font to something more professional, like this one. For the first page, add only the title. Leave the second page blank, as we'll add the book cover there. On the third page, insert the table of contents. For the rest, place one chapter per page. Now, let's create the book cover. For this, we'll use the third prompt. Enter your title and paste it into ChatGPT, which will generate a prompt for the cover. We'll use this prompt in Leonardo AI because it's free. Click on Launch the app, go to Image Creation, and paste the prompt here. In the Style section, choose Cinematic Kino Style for a realistic look. For the dimensions, select the 2:3 ratio. It's a popular format for book covers. Click Generate and wait for the results. If you're not satisfied, just hit Generate again until you find a cover you like. Once you have one, download it and open Canva to add the text. Position the image slightly lower to leave space for text at the top. To make it fit the entire page, click on the image, go to Edit, select Magic Expand, then choose Whole Page. Canva will generate 4 options. Pick the one that best adapts to your image and click Done. Next, add the text by placing the first part of the title at the top. Choose a nice font, add a color, and apply a neon effect. For added clarity, add an ombre behind the title to make it pop. Now, the cover is ready. Don't over-edit. Keep it simple. Place it on the second page of the book. To save your book, go to File, select Download, then PDF Document to download it as a PDF. Our book looks fire. It's a masterpiece that stands out from cover to content. Just imagine readers diving into this. Now, it's time to take it to the next level and publish it on Google Books. Head to your Google Books dashboard and click on Add Your First Book. In the selling options, select Sell eBook on Google Play. In the book ID, choose Get a Google Book ID, then hit Save and Continue. Now, enter your title and be sure to click Add Subtitle. This can really help your book rank higher in search results. Don't worry, you'll find the prompt for the subtitle and description in this PDF. Now, let's put in our title and ask ChatGPT to generate a subtitle for you. Once that's done, we'll do the same for the description and move on. For the page count, be exact. Just open your PDF to check. In this case, it's 24 pages, so enter that. Add the publication date. This will show buyers it's a new release. Leave the age rating empty to target all audiences, then click Continue. When selecting the book genre, you can ask ChatGPT assistance. In our case, we've created a book on personal finance and taxation. Now, let's add the author information. Just use some general details here. No need to mention AI, as we've customized the content. If you're planning a series, you can add it here. A great strategy if you're publishing multiple parts. But for now, I'll skip that. In this section, select No to prevent downloading of the ebook. Set the preview to 20% so readers can see the first few pages, title, cover, and table of contents, giving them a taste of what's inside. Next, set the usage permissions to 100% so buyers can use your ebook anywhere after purchase. Finally, upload your ebook file and cover image. Then set a price, somewhere between $5 and $9, depending on the content value. You can add some images and videos to increase the price if you want. When you're ready, click Publish. You might see a review notification. That's normal and should only take a few hours. And there you have it. Your ebook is live. 1 hour later. Guys, I made my first sale just hours after publishing my ebook. That's crazy. Google Books isn't messing around. Of course, this is because this keyword has one of the highest search volumes right now. So don't stop at just one ebook. Stay consistent, and I promise you'll see unique results if you follow the whole process. If you're motivated to start this business model, hit subscribe and like the video. See you.